Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today
Take dick, then she threw it back. I had her caught up in the matrix, and she don't condone in the hatred.
in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. I'm going to be showing you how I style my tiny little afro. I'm so in love with it. I love my hair so much. Shout out to who told me to cut my hair. People on Instagram told me to cut my hair actually, because I had a little poll thingy and people voted like I should cut my hair because it looks nice on me. Shout out to you, shout out to myself for actually going through with it and cutting my hair, because yes, I'm very impulsive and I act on spot, but like this takes a lot. Like I put on my wig like 2 times. After I cut my hair, I ran for my wig, put it on, took it off, put it on, took it off. Like I was just like confused, I was just stressed, but you know, I just decided to just stick with it because I like how it looks. I really like how it looks, and I'm excited for how it's gonna look in the future, because imagine when it's all grown out, when I'm catching up my hair, doing cute little styles, honey. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you like how it looks. Leave a comment, tell me the products to use, because your girl don't know what to do. Use something that works for you. I know there's so much products out there for natural hair. Now you're using a product and you think it works well for you. I don't know what hair type I have. Like, I don't know what hair type this is. Maybe you could tell me that too, because I'm lost in the sauce. So much for watching. Thank you for the support. Bye guys. I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, and then I'm going to use some shea butter to add some moisture to my hair, because all of the oils or natural oils kind of just got washed out of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature conditioner and just also add that in my hair, massage it through, make sure every little strand gets a little touch of that conditioner. I love this conditioner. I feel like it just makes my hair super smooth, just super soft, and it even sometimes defines it. Right now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. It's the argan oil one from Shea Moisture. I just grabbed my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is almost finished, so that can tell you how much I love using this. It really helps define my curls. And even after using the gel, the reason why I like to use this is because when I use the gel, it doesn't give it that hardened texture afterwards. So I always just use the curl enhancing smoothie. Sometimes I even just use the curl enhancing smoothie because it does get the job done, but I'm just being extra and I want extra definition. So using my denim brush, I'm gonna be detangling my hair. I'm just grabbing the hair as I go. I'm not doing this in the neatest way possible. You could grab a comb and section off your hair and part it and get into it, but I was lazy. I just grab and go. I forgot to mention, but I'm also going in using my Eco Styler gel to help me define the curls. Also making sure that I am detangling my hair in a backwards motion, so the curls can pop more, if you understand what I'm saying. So it's kind of like going backwards and upwards at the same time, rather than using the brush in the opposite direction, how you'd usually brush your hair backwards. Maybe you get the point. I mean you're watching it, so you must get what I'm saying. So I'm just taking not random pieces, but pieces that I know I want the curls to be extra poppy, just like they're like coiled to perfection. So I know the strands or the places that I want my hair to be more defined, and that's more in the front of my hair and in the middle and maybe some to the sides. So you'll just see me just what's the word? Twirling my hair. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Twirling. Don't be afraid to add more gel if you feel like more gel is needed. I'm heavy-handed with gels, so I kind of like to hold back because I know I'll OD it. So if you feel like you need more gel, add some more gel. So what I do, I just grab a section, like pretty much the same section that I use my denim brush with, because if you realize when you brush with the denim brush, it kind of sticks together, that same section. So I grab it, separate each of the coils, and just twirl them individually to create that super defined look that I like. This is expert level, the double coil, the double twirl. Let's proceed to grabbing your X-Man's toothbrush and brush them baby hairs down. It's completely normal for your hair to look a bit white, because you could see like the little hair at the front, it appears to be white, but I just don't have a diffuser and I was just too lazy to grab my blow dryer. But if you just give it some time, like another hour or so, it will completely dry and you're good to go. And that's it for this tutorial. Let me know if you like my new hairstyle. Let me know if I helped you in any way possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!